Radio. This is going to be how the day's going to be, folks. Just as fast as Bridget and I got off the air a few moments ago, already other things coming in of community interest, and we feel it's our job during these times to make sure we give you every bit of information that you need to make sure that you can stay safe and know what is going on. Bridget, first of all, as we went off the air, we know that Hamilton County had an upgrade in their severe weather.
Yeah, they are under a severe thunderstorm warning at this time. That is for Hamilton County.
And we are getting information that there was reported hail down in the Chattanooga area, so they are getting a little bit more of the grunt of that. And Bridget, also, before we get into a couple announcements, as the last post went up on our Facebook page of Mix TV, people were commenting about standing water already on the roadways.
Yeah, that's right. We're getting reports of standing water across the area, and then specifically Highway 11, that's Northley Highway there in front of Sunset Memorial Gardens there at the cemetery. That's a pretty bad area anyway when we get a lot of heavy rain, so they are telling us that there's standing water there already. So if you're driving Northley Highway near Sunset Memorial Gardens, you're going to need to be aware of that, and we appreciate that. You guys are the ones that are out there driving these roadways. Give us a call or comment and let us know what you're seeing out there, 614-6499, or if you're watching via Mix TV on our Facebook page, you are welcome to comment there as well.
Yeah, Wendy Hughes, that was in the studio with us a little bit earlier, said there's standing water all over the place. So please be careful out there, especially those places that Bridget mentioned. Other things into our stations already. Bradley County Mayor DeGary Davis is closing government offices at 2 p.m. today. That's ahead of the impending severe weather. So again, Bradley County Mayor DeGary Davis is closing government offices at 2 o'clock ahead of the impending severe weather. And we mentioned to you a few minutes ago, we're going to go back and find that as well, which is the vaccination site this afternoon is going to be postponed until Tuesday, which is going to be March the 30th. And they're telling us to tell you to come at the same appointment time that you would have for today. Again, if you were lined up to get the COVID-19 shot today and this afternoon, it's now postponed until Tuesday, which is March the 30th. Come at your same appointment time that you would have today. Bridget, what else we got?
And Yvonne Graham tells us CHI Memorial Convenient Care will be closing at 3 o'clock today. That's CHI Memorial Convenient Care here in Cleveland, right there in the Public Shopping Center.
Again, we're at 11:21 in the studios of Mix 104.1, and we're just reminding you about our severe weather coverage brought to you McIntyre and Associates Insurance. We are expecting that weather briefing at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Troy Spence will be joining us right after that. We will also have a correspondent at the meeting giving us coverage of that meeting as well. Bridget, back over to you.
Also just heard from Pam down at the Bread Basket in the Stewart Park Plaza. They are also closing at 2 o'clock today due to the weather. Thank you, Pam.
All right, yeah, lots of things going on here at Mix 104.1 and in our community. Heavier rain has definitely fallen in the last hour. If you've got to be out, make sure that you're aware of that standing water in those places and other places that we mentioned. If you travel certain roads, you know where those low-lying areas are at, and you know where the water normally stands. If you can get somewhere and be safe and be still for the next several hours, that's what we would suggest. We know schools are beginning out soon with different release times that they're doing on that. We've got that all posted on our Facebook page as well. And Bridget, I know that Cleveland City, as far as the middle school and the sixth grade car riders, they're going to be getting out here in about 10 minutes.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, the sixth grade car riders at Cleveland Middle are dismissing at 11:30 here in just a few minutes. All the other grades at Cleveland Middle and Cleveland High dismissing at 12 o'clock. Cleveland City Elementary dismissing at 12:45 today. And then for Bradley County schools, let's see here. They are dismissing elementary at 12:30, middle and high schools at 1:30, McMinn County at 12:30, Athens City at 12 o'clock, Meigs County at 12:30, Dayton City schools at 12 o'clock, and Hamilton County schools 2 hours early.
Yeah, there's just a lot going on, folks, so please be mindful of everything out there. And again, the best advice we can give to you is get prepared. Get the family. If you got to get something, if you're one of those that says, I got to get something for dinner later tonight or whatever, maybe plan on, I think I'd plan on some sandwiches or something, Bridget, just in case, we do have some of those power outages. That's a possibility in our area later tonight. So again, be prepared. Stay with us on Mix 104.1, and we're getting ready to get out of this this break. Bridget, what else have you got?
Yeah, we are getting questions about the emergency alerts number, the
Yes.
text number. So you're going to text join CBC EMA to the number 30890. Again, text join CBC EMA to the number 30890.
All right, that's what's going on. That's the latest here at Mix 1041. Again, keep up with us on our website, mymix1041.com. We definitely want you to get the most up-to-date information as we get it. We're posting it immediately as they're going to be on our Facebook page at Mix 1041 WCLE. Make sure you got your alerts on, and we'll continue to feed that information to you on the radio, on the app, on Facebook, and, of course, on our website. Going to get into another commercial break. We'll come back with more in just a little bit. Stay with us on Mix 1041.